Firstly, we need to download and set up the Blink app. So open Play Store and search for Blink application and download it. Once the app is installed, either log into it using Facebook or create a new account on Blink and log in using that. I have logged in using Facebook account. After logging in, create new project by clicking new project. Give the project a name of your liking. Select the hardware device as Node MCU and select connection type as Wi-Fi. Then hit on create button. At this point, Blink app send auth token to your email ID. We are going to use later. Now I am using 4 channel relay. So I am going to add 4 buttons. Now click on button and give it a name. I will name it relay 1 and I will use it to control the first relay. Below the name, in the text box select the pin as digital pin D3. Changing the value of on and off is equal to 1 and on is equal to 0, and convert the push button into switch button. Do this for all the 4 buttons, but you have to change the just pin D3, D4, D5 like that. Now we have to download Blink libraries. The link is in the description below. After downloading, extract it and open it. Now open Arduino IDE and connect your Node MCU with USB cable with your laptop or PC. Go to Files, Preferences and copy the link. Now just paste it in my computer. Here are all the files which Arduino IDE requires. Now we have to paste the download libraries into the folder which we have linked or open now. After copying file, go to Arduino IDE, then click on File, Examples, and search for Blink. In Blink, search for board Wi-Fi and then ESP8266 standalone. Open it. In this file, we need to change only 3 lines of codes. Now, we need to paste our auth token which the Blink app sent us to our email. Just copy that auth token and paste it here. Now I have to write my hotspot name. And the hotspot password. Now go to Tools and Board, ESP8266 Node MCU 12E module. Just select it. Now upload it.